guys, welcome to the new video where we are going to hack method-based access control can be circumvented lab from Web Security Academy and powered by Portswigger. So this lab implement access control based partly on the HTTP method of requests, and all what we have to do is to connect as an administrator account and then try to find the flow of access control on that account to use it in a regular user, call it Wiener, to promote ourselves to be an administrator. So guys, in this lab we are going to base our attack of HTTP method. So we are going to use these different methods in our tests. So don't worry guys, I will put this link in the description below. So guys, if you like this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you have any suggestion, please put it in the comment below, and let's start. And here we go everybody. So first of all, let me connect as an administrator. And here you go, so let's say administrator and password of admin. And here we go, I don't need to save the credentials. And before moving forward, let me activate Foxy Proxy. So I'm going to use Community Edition. Let's go to the proxy, click Introspect twice, and let's go to HTTP history. And here we go. So now I'm in administrator profile page. So as you can see, we have the update email. So maybe when we update the email, we can find a way to upgrade a user role. So let's say popo@hackadmin.com and let me update. And here we go. Now let me check the post change email. Okay, you can see we have a post method, and if I scroll down, you can see we have an email. So maybe in other scenario, we can add a new parameter in here. Maybe it's a role or position of the user, but we're not going to do this right now. So let me keep looking, so maybe I will find something more interesting. So let me go to the admin panel, and here we go. Now I found something more interesting than changing the email. You can see we have upgrade user, downgrade user. So let me see the select input. As you can see, we have Carlos, normal, administrator, admin, and Wiener normal. So now I found the rules, which is normal and admin. So let me try to upgrade Carlos user, and let me see what I'm going to have. So let's say upgrade user. Here we go. Now you can see we have this post method / admin rules. So this is more interesting than testing the change email. So let me scroll down, and here we go. And now you can see the action, it's not admin or a normal, but it's upgrade. So this is the function to upgrade the user. So let me downgrade and see what's going to happen. Here we go. Now let me see the downgrade. And here we go, it's the action is downgrade. So I'm interested in this method, so let me send it to repeater. Here we go, so I'm going to test with this endpoint. So you may ask an important question, how I can find this /admin rules in a real life. So maybe I don't have the access to the admin panel, so I can find this kind of functionality. And you are absolutely right. In a real life scenario, or what we have to do is to fuzz the application, or also what we call it enumeration endpoint, to find the hidden endpoints like this one, which give us extra permission when we are testing the application. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to log out. So let me go to my account. So let me log out. And now I'm going to connect as a Wiener. Here we go. So let me say Wiener and password of Peter. And here we go. Now I'm connecting as a Wiener. So how I can test this endpoint based on the Wiener account? So basically we verify the account based on its session cookie. So I can just change this session cookie. So let me go to the proxy. Let's go to my account ID Wiener. Let me send it to repeater. And here we go. Now you can see we have this specific session of Wiener. So let me just copy it. And let me just paste it over here, and let me see the behavior of the application. And here we go. Now I found 401, which is unauthorized, which means that this post method is protected from the system. And this is absolutely normal. So how I can bypass this protection? So let me go to HTTP request methods. So these are the methods that I'm allowed to use, which is get, head, post, put, delete, and whatever. So let me try test these methods, and maybe one of them is not protected. So first let me try to test get method, and here we go. Now let me send. Now he said missing parameter username. So you may ask that I already provide a username in here. So why he said that is missing? This is absolutely normal behavior because get method doesn't contain a body. I'm going to delete this one from here. So now I'm going to add it as a parameter. So let me say question mark, then we have a username. So let me just send it as it is and see what's going to happen. Now he said that could not change a user role. So let me say add, which is I think action. So let me back to proxy and verify. So let me scroll down in here. Here we go. This is the admin role. Let me scroll down. And as you can see, it's an action. So let me back to repeater. Let me add action over here. I didn't provide any values yet. I just want to see the behavior of the application. And now he said could not change the user role. So in here we have a value of upgrade. Here we go. And the user, I'm going to add the user Wiener. And let me see what I'm going to have. Now I have a status of 302, which is redirection. Let me click on the following here. And here we go. Now I got status of 200. Let me see the render. Now, as you can see, the callus is normal. Let me see the winner in here. So let me say winner. Let me search, and here we go. And now you can see winner now becomes an admin. So let me back to the method. And as you can see, I successfully solved the lab. So before moving forward, guys, let me try to test the another methods and see if also they are not protected. So let me back in here. Let me use head and see. 302, let's follow. Also, it's 200, which means this method also is not protected. Now, I'm not going to use post because it's already protected and we see it. So let me use put. And let me see. Bad request. So this is, it said missing parameter. So this one, I think it's not even protected, but it cannot access to the missing query. So let me see delete. I'm not going to use delete, but let me see the next one, which is connect. Follow 202. Also it works. Now you can see its status of 200. So this is also not protected. So let me see options in here. We have 302. Let me see, also not protected. So options also not protected. Let me see trace. 302, also 200, and the last one, which is patch. Let me see, 302, and it's 200. So what we can recognize here that some of these methods are not even protected from the system, where we can use it to upgrade our account privileges. I hope that you learned something new from this video, and I hope that you learned how to use different method to make specific action so you can have more privileges that they are not protected from the system. So guys, if you like this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you have any question or any suggestion, please put it in the comment below, and stay tuned for the next videos.